everybody, welcome back to a new vlog. Today's Wednesday and it's a busy one. Been doing lots of bits and bobs. I popped out earlier to get some bits for Alex so that he can survive and doesn't live off absolutely no food. And then I just shot a image in the flat, party wear stuff. I think I've shot all the party wear stuff I need now, which is good. So you'll be seeing all of that on my Instagram. If you don't follow me, I'll pop it here. I'd love to see you over there. I'm now going to start packing to go home. Now this is such a task because I have bits at home that I could wear, but the hard part is that I need to pack things to just wear normally. Also need to pack things that I want to style for photos. I have got stuff that I ordered home, so I don't really want to take too much stuff, which I don't think I will do because I'm just going to take bits I know I'm going to wear, bits I need to shoot, or bits that would accessorize things that I would need to shoot. So yes, that is the plan. Yeah, I've got two suitcases that I'm taking with me. I'm taking my big suitcase and my mini suitcase. So I have enough space to take things, but it's just like I can only really take one coat with me, and I have like 5, definitely have more. I have like 10 coats that I love. But I do have cozy coats at home, so I'm kind of like, I just need to be like really ruthless and just take the things I need, not everything, because I will take everything. So yeah, and obviously weight allowance, so I have to be careful. But that is the plan. And then later on I'm going to do some work because I have quite a few bits to do just in general. I just want to kind of get myself ahead. That is my day. I will probably continue this vlog over into tomorrow as well, depending on how much I film today, because then I can show you at home and whatnot. There might be one more vlog after this that will be featured like at home and not here, but yeah, I kind of like the end of Vlogmas is really not organised, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. But yes, anyway, I am going to whack my suitcase down and start organising my clothes to pack, and maybe watch a movie whilst I'm doing it, like a Christmas movie. That is a good idea. I'm gonna do that, definitely. Okay, so I've whacked one suitcase out here, the other one's here. I've got a YouTube video to watch, and then I'm gonna start planning what I want to take. I've already realised that I bet you I'm gonna take like 10 pairs of shoes, and I don't need that many pairs of shoes. So yeah, this is gonna be really, really fun. I am really bad at packing as well, which is what annoys me the most. So yeah, and it's gonna be, there's more stuff to take because it's Christmas, so naturally I have presents and bits and like things to shoot, which I probably won't bring back with me, but coming back it's not an issue, but going home it's an issue, you know. Anyway, it's what it is. I'm just going to try and pack as light as possible and hope for the best. Okay, so I've just been through my wardrobe and pulled everything that I want to take or I'm thinking of taking so that I can like narrow it down. So over here I've got my coats, one of which I will wear on the way, one of which I will pack, and these are like jackets, so they're quite small. Then I've got a pile of like presents over there. Then these are just miscellaneous bits. That's bits that I have to shoot, so I have to take those stuff home. And then I've got some jumpers there. These are all bottoms. I won't be taking all of these, but they're just here. Then I've got dresses and nice tops because it's party season, so I was like, I kind of need to take something. These are like long sleeve tops to wear underneath. These are what I'm wearing home. I wear these home every time I travel. I wear these because they're so comfortable. They're ribbed wide leg leggings. If I can find them, I will link them below because they're amazing. And then down here I've got my shoes. So I'll probably wear these to the airport. These, I kind of need a pair of black boots, heeled boots, because you don't know what you're going to be doing. And then these are really good heels and I don't have any at home, so got those. Obviously taking my Doc Martens because they're amazing. And then my Converse. Ideally I wouldn't take all of these shoes, but you know when you're like, this is the worst time to pack because like I need to wear trainers because comfort. I wear my Converse all the time, so they're like a go-to, need those. And my Doc Martens, I need those. And then it's like, my heels I probably don't need, but it's party season, so it's like I kind of need them. And then my heel boots, well, like if I go out for dinner or if I want to dress a bit nicer, then I need my heel boots, you know. But I'm thinking actually when I come back I probably won't bring the heels back with me because I never wear heels anyway, and I only really wear them for like nights out and drinks and stuff. And here, when you go out, you don't really wear heels. It's all kind of just very casual and like, do you know what I mean? So yeah, a lot of these things that I will take over, I probably won't bring back with me, like my sequin dress or my sparkly jumper. Like if it's Christmas related, there's no point. So that's kind of making me feel a bit better, because that means I know I can get rid of that sparkly jumper, those bits at the end that I need to shoot if they're like super festive. Then I won't bring them back here with me because I'm not going to wear them. So yeah, and then obviously the presents, I'm not going to bring those back. So yes, but I'm trying to be as ruthless as possible, as I said before, just because like I don't want to be taking tons of stuff I'm not going to wear. So yeah, and I'm just thinking about outfits, what I would want to shoot as well, so that I take things that I do like actually want. So yes, that is the plan of action. I'm just like, you know, like I can't bother to pack. I just don't want to pack. But I'm watching Pitch Perfect 2. Oh god, please don't disconnect. And yeah, it's really dark. And then I'm also making a little pile of items to give Alex for him to bring back when he comes home because he won't fill up his suitcase. And there's a few things like my Christmas jumper, which I would love to take back with me now, but I just know that it's an item. One, I don't need the item. Two, I only want to take it back because I don't want to bring it. I don't need it here. And three, other things need to take its place. So I'm making a little pile of items you must bring back with you. But anyway, I'm going to carry on watch Pitch Perfect and maybe start the pack. I haven't sorted out what underwear stuff I want yet, so let me do that, stuff it in my shoes, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, so a bit of time has passed, and in that time I realised I had to shoot something that I'd forgotten about. So just did that, and I've watched a couple of movies. I've got one suitcase packed, and this one is almost done. I've just got a few bits, like there's a couple of like pairs of jeans that I'm waiting to waiting to dry. Oh my god, I can't speak. Before I can put them away, but they're kind of like pieces that would go under other things, so I don't want to like put everything on, do you know what I mean? Anyway, so I'm almost there. I now need to sort my bag out, which is going to carry all my my bag that I'm going to take on the plane, which will have my laptop, my cameras and all that kind of stuff. It's how I feel, to be completely honest. You know, like this time of year is such a stressful time of year, and I think now that I'm doing this as my job, I'm really starting to realise just how stressful it is, especially when you're doing all the work. Like when I used to work for like companies and stuff, like you would do your part but you wouldn't be doing everything, whereas I'm doing everything for myself, all the different bits and bobs, and it is just really stressful. So yes, but I think I'm doing a good job so far, and I have taken on a lot over this Christmas period because I just wanted to. I wanted to do more work, I wanted to make the most of it, so I did kind of bring it on myself, but it's what it is. I am now going to continue to finish packing, and then I'm probably going to chill out for a bit. I actually have quite a lot of work to do still, so probably going to do that. It's never ending. The only good thing is tomorrow when I fly, the flight is quite quick. I'm up early. I should be home by like midday. So, you know, there's pros and cons, right? So I still have like the afternoon to work tomorrow as well. So yeah, so I'm gonna leave this part of the vlog here. I am flying tomorrow morning, so I might film something, but I probably won't. And then I'll probably see you when I'm back in my home bedroom. That's probably where you're gonna see me, but I will try and film some bits in between if I can. But yes, I will see you all tomorrow. Okay, so it's a few days later and I'm in a completely different surroundings. So basically I travelled home on Thursday, did literally nothing. I just kind of chilled at home. I decorated the home Christmas tree, you know, all that kind of stuff. And then yesterday I went to London. I shot with Ellie. I will pop her YouTube channel below because she was vlogging. We did a little shoot around Bond Street, which was really good. I managed to get all the campaigns that I needed to shoot. I still have a few more, but I got the urgent ones done, which is good. And then today is Saturday and I am, what am I doing? I just went shopping with my mum, got a few bits, and now I'm home. I'm going to edit my video because it's been a day late. I kind of don't want to pressure myself into making sure videos are up all the time when I've had such a stressful kind of time at the moment, especially with work, which is partially my own fault, but also I've never done this time of year before as my job, so it's a little bit like all the time. But I thought I'd show you the bits that I picked up in the Black Friday sales. I didn't buy much, but there are a few bits and I'm excited to show you, because in case any of you are looking for items to wear for Christmas or like last minute bits and bobs, who knows. Okay, like I said, I didn't buy too much. I'm not really one to go crazy in sales if there's nothing that I'm like wanting, and all these pieces are pieces that I either wanted or had my eye on, or I just fancy treating myself whilst I was there. So yeah, anyway, first item are these boots from Topshop. I had been eyeing these up since before I went to Amsterdam. They're just a black western boot, but I really like the kind of actual western detailing on them. I have these ones which I've had for a while. They're more like a croc effect, but they don't give that fully like western vibe, and I think I'm going to sell those ones. But I just really like these. I think they're really cute. They're kind of smart. They give that kind of like, I don't know, like vibe to them that I really like. And I wore these in London, and to be honest, they weren't too uncomfortable. They're actually really comfortable. They just rubbed on my feet a little bit, but I think that's because I wasn't wearing the right socks. But yeah, they're really, really nice. So I picked those up. I think Topshop had like 25% off, or I think I got those with 30% off because it was like, or 20, I can't remember. I got a really good deal on those. And then I bought some bits from Mango. So I did actually buy another pair of western boots. They're more of like I will link them below / put a picture up here in case anyone is interested. But my mum's given those to me for Christmas. But I also picked up some leather trousers. Now I usually wear these, which are like leather leggings, and they're great, but sometimes you want like more of a trouser fit, and I have a pair from Primark, but they're just a little bit kind of big around my thighs, so it kind of looks a bit too baggy, and I don't really like that. But I found these trousers and they fit really nicely. So they're like just a kind of classic trouser shape at the top. They've got pockets. They go down as like a seam halfway down the leg. They're like a straight cut. I really like them. I was wearing them around London after, because I did a shoot, obviously changed my outfit, and I was wearing these at the end, and they're just really comfortable, really soft, nice trousers. Like, I don't think they were too expensive either, and they fit really nicely as well. So yes, I got those and I'm very chuffed with those. So highly recommend if you're looking for a straight cut kind of leather trouser or faux leather trouser. Also from Mango, I picked up this skirt. I'm still not decided whether I'm going to keep this or not, but it's this little wrap leather skirt in the same kind of faux leather, really soft. It's a proper wrap, so there's not like a skirt or anything behind it. The only thing is, for me anyway, I have to like actually tie this. It kind of just slips through. I don't know if you can see that. It just slips through the thing rather than being tied. So yeah, I need to try this on with a few things before I decide whether I'm going to keep it or not. Beautiful skirt if you're looking for a leather skirt that you want something a little bit nicer. It's not too short either, so yeah, I recommend this. It's really lovely. I just don't know whether I'm going to wear it enough, so yes. Then I got some bits from And Other Stories. And Other Stories is one of my favourite shops. I don't shop in there much because a lot of the stuff they sell is quite expensive, and I very much love H&M and Zara and stuff like that. But I did pick up a few pieces. The first one being this knit. I love And Other Stories knit. They're amazing. I have quite a few of them now, but I eyed this up ages ago, and it's this kind of like, it kind of comes down here. It's quite a low straight slash neck, I think they're called. It's a really cute little cream knit. I don't have a cream knit like this with this kind of neckline, which is why I justified buying it. But yeah, I really like it. It's really cute. I am just going to try it on with a few more outfits before I definitely keep it, because I don't want to keep something if I'm not going to wear it. But I'm pretty sure I will, because it's a cream knit and I love a cream knit, so definitely going to be keeping that. And then I also picked up this top, which might not be to everyone's taste, but I tried it on and I was like, oh my gosh, I love it. This was more expensive. I think originally this is £65, which is a lot of money, but I just fell in love with it. So it's got these like puffy sleeves, like a round neck. It's got a little slip underneath, which is good. And then little sleeves like this. It's really lovely. It's a really nice blouse, like a blouse that you could wear now. You could also wear into spring and summer, which is why I bought it, because I thought it was quite wearable for many different seasons. And the puffy sleeves are really cute, and it's also not too like in your face, because some of these like puffy sleeve tops are great, but they're definitely more of a fashion piece, whereas this is something you could wear now, you could wear next year. Do you know what I mean? It's a piece that I can get more and more wear out of, and a piece that will stay in my wardrobe for a while. So I really like this, and the material is really nice as well, so I love that. And then my final purchase, actually not my final purchase, my final bits from and other stories, firstly are these earrings. They're really cute, kind of like twisted earrings, love them. And I also picked up this hat. I love a beanie hat, as you may know. The only downside is this one's a little bit like oddly shaped. Let me put it on my head for you. Oh, actually I think it's alright. So yeah, looks like this. It's a khaki beanie. I asked my sister to get me the like, there's a blue, kind of powder blue colour, which I've asked my sister to get me for Christmas, because I wanted to buy one myself, but I wanted both colours. So yeah, really lovely little beanie if you're wanting something a little bit more expensive or a little bit nicer. I'm not sure how much this is. It's £29, which is quite a lot of money, but for a beanie, but you know, if you know someone who likes a beanie, it's quite a nice option. And then my final purchase is probably the best thing that I bought, the best priced item that I bought, and it's this dress. I don't know if they still sell this, so I'm sorry if they don't. If they do, I will link it below. But it's this gorgeous like silky satin midi dress from H&M. It's in like a champagne-y colour, and it just goes down. It's a midi dress. It's got a slit on one side. It's really nice. I had been eyeing this up and it's not expensive at all, and then they had 20% off and I was like, well, definitely got to buy it now. So originally I think it's £17.99 and I got it for £14 because of the discount, or £14 something, and I'm literally in love with it. I don't know why they put it at £17.99, because it's just gorgeous and the material is really lovely as well. So yeah, if I can link this below, and if they still have it, highly recommend, because £17.99 for a dress like this is so cheap. You can belt it if you want. I think this is one of those pieces that's really good for when spring summer hits, because it's such a lovely piece, and you could wear it in the evening now, you could wear it during the day in the summer, you could layer a jumper over the top. I just thought it was really pretty, and even if like you're someone who doesn't really like sequins and stuff for New Year's, this is a really good option. But I won't sell it to you too much in case it's not in stock. But beautiful dress, and I will try and link something similar if I can, but I don't think you're really going to beat a £17.99 price tag, to be honest. But gorgeous, gorgeous dress, and I love it. So for the rest of the day, I think I am going to chill out. I've got to edit my video, which I might have mentioned already, I'm not sure. And what else do we need to do? There's always a lot of things to do, but I think I'm going to edit my video, chill out. It's a bit cold today, so keep myself nice and warm and toasty. My sister's coming home today, which is nice, so I'm excited for that. Yeah, so if there's anything more to add, I will of course add it, but for now I'm going to leave you, and I will see you all very soon. Bye!